Hello everyone, this is Mohan Reddy, Head of Design and Technology at MRIS IB. Design and Technology course within the IB program encourages students to apply practical and theoretical knowledge to solve real world problems through design, covering areas such as product design, innovation, and sustainable development. The curriculum emphasizes critical thinking, creativity, and the impact of technology on society. Students engages in the design cycle from investigation to evaluation, fostering skills in research, prepares them for careers in engineering, architecture, and design, promoting a sustainable and ethical approach to technological development and instilling mindset of lifelong learning and adaptability in a technologically evolving world. For more interesting facts about IB education, stay tuned.